Hi, I'm Mara Ammons. I'm here at SiteOne Landscape Supply to talk about deer-resistant flowers. So, one of the toughest challenges in creating an installation is figuring out what plants and flowers will survive deer annihilation. So it's important to know that no plant is completely safe from those hungry wanderers, but there are varieties that are less desirable or enticing.
So deer do not like spiky, fuzzy, or fragrant foliage or blooms. They detest toxic, bitter, or finely textured plants.
These salvias show off with their big, beautiful plumes all summer long. And deer, they do not like them.
Lavender is rarely on the menu for deer.
It has a long bloom time from early spring through fall, and once established is a great drought-tolerant option. Deers typically pass by these dianthus because of their finely textured foliage. Delphinium have chemical compounds that are toxic to deer, but butterflies and bees love them, and they make a beautiful cut flower. Verbena has a somewhat coarse, bitter foliage that is unappealing to deer. It serves as a great ground cover.
At SiteOne, we want to empower you to make great selections so that you can ultimately succeed. Check out our portfolio collection. Our tags have an icon that specifies if they are deer resistant. Go to SiteOne.com, use our branch locator to see what varieties we have available in your neck of the wood. And go ahead and secure your order while supplies last.